Wagwan people, thanks for forward to the Wagwan people, thanks for forward to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now as you can hear behind me and around me, people with their out here risk with life, as usual. Risking with life, because that's what do on PNN, to get under the news, to make you know what's going on and them things. So we're giving a stamp update today, to make you know what's going on with Ian and them things. As you can hear, people, we are washing away presently. Presently, we are washing away in the eye of the storm.
What kind of eye this time you tell the people them
Really,
say
you
they're
chat so
in a
much.
dog never and they're depend bad man.
But yeah, as I say, people, we're out here and we're in the elements. I brave it to get to know the news and them things because we name PNN and we name professionalism and we name go the extra mile. The extra mile to get to know the news. But I want to talk to the people them. We didn't want Ian to come so the door go work today. A little bit them used to say, Who do you want Ian come mash up Jamaica so they get a free day or a free week off? Uno is a wicked. Uno is a wicked. But anyway, remember we made a report up on Saturday and we did say this.
Nobody pack up in the supermarket and the wholesale them and price mart and them place there. I buy up what you can't afford. I buy up this bag of things like say una idiot. We are begging you, don't do it. You know why? We're not stuck with the thin things them per Monday morning because no rain never fall. Una go ball and say the weather report did wrong and did this and did that. Every year they do the same thing. Don't buy what you cannot afford and do not overbuy.
How do you feel today? Today on Monday now, I'm stuck with the bag of tin something them and the bag of bread them and them something there and all of the other accoutrements them I want to buy when I never need. What am I going to do with them now? You're not learning, you know? Only is not learning. But as we said on Saturday, for all of the people them who have all the supplies that you buy and does not know what to do with it, Pattern News Network is here, willing and able and ready to collect all breads, all corned beef. We don't want a sardine, all mackerel, all of the supplies I'm going to don't know what to do with. We will find good use for them for the next couple of weeks. We're asking though that all of the breads them that were bought on Thursday and Friday to please keep them because we don't want a gingerbread pan way. We want only Saturday and Sunday breads. But anyway, as you're supposed to know by now, Ian gone about in business. Him did not touch Jamaica and we are very grateful to the Father that him did not do it. Right now, I'm just give you a little rain and them thing there. And we're grateful for the rain. Because I pray so him not flood out the people, them house and them thing there. But we're thankful for the rain. Because we say, man, did a bar 2 weeks ago when the place did a burn up like fry or roast fish. And we say, man, they a ball. So we get a little rain and a little cool long, but we take it now. Yes, not pan shed pan. Since we're outside, make we give you an update about the Negril sign. The Negril sign apparently is still intact and in place for all the concerned people. In a lose no millions, no letters not drop down yet, nothing like that. But we still wait for the people from Negril. By the weekend, we want an update. Send up some videos, send up some picture and everything so we can see what is going on with the sign. We want to know if the sign get flooded. We want to know if a letter drop down. We want to know if it get damaged. We want to know everything about the $12 million zinc fence sign. So please send across that information as soon as it is available. Thank you very much. But anyway, let's tell you the update about Ian. No zinc, no flues off. No blood, no lick nobody, no bone, no lick nobody cross with them face. There's a couple places water overrun and couple river overrun them banks and them things. Nothing crazy. We don't hear nobody dead now, so we give thanks for that. But we're supposed to give an update, a sports update, on Saturday. But just because of the tropical storm, watch what we do. We don't bother put it in there because it never fit. So we're giving the sport update today. Make we go to some sports. Next piece of news right now, people. We are running right into some sporting news. So as you know, people, Jamaica is supposed to take on Argentina on the 27th of this month. Now, as some of you might know as well, Jamaica get a new coach. The former coach of Iceland is now Jamaica's coach. Now, the new coach named Heimer, may not pronounce, Hallgrimsson. And over here upon Pattern News Network, we want to call him Grimy. Because Mr. Hallgrimsson, as him reach, him started some grimy stuff, Now, as you know, Andre Blake our top goalie. Him are the best goalie in the MLS. Him is also our captain. But because of feelings, JFF left him out of the team. But Mr. Hallgrimsson forward and say, this is patty sharpness. So as him reach, him started some dental work. So Grimy say, you know what, Andre Blake, you're back in the team, General. It is a disgrace and an embarrassment that you were taken out of the team because you speak your mind and you speak something that is right. And that is true because JFF is patty shop. Now, Grimy, dentist, look for me good. Them give you some time. I want you to do your thing, because I realize you're back broad, you know. I realize you don't really have no fear for no man, you know. So I want you just do what you do, because we like your progress so far already. Now, Argentina, one top side you take on as your first point of duty. We don't really expect not much. The most we expect, because we know say you want defensive coach, is to make sure say nobody is going to score power. Just to make we get disgrace. We feel like say Jamaica always do well against Argentina, except for the time when we go World Cup and them mash we up. But we always do a little bit well against Argentina. So I beg you know, do the best, man and man. But Mr. Al Grimson, Grimy, Dentist, we realize what you want to do, and we see your plan, and we tell you, if you spot a rotten teeth, dig it out. If you see no cavity, fill it. And I hope that at the end of your tenure, that we will all have brighter smiles.